Hey, hi, I'm Ayush and you're watching EaseIt. In this video, we'll be looking at three things: find, replace, and select function in Excel and how to use them effectively. So let's dive in.
So let's find where find and select actually resides. So the first thing we have to do is go to our home tab, and in home tab at the right corner we find and select. So either you can go through here for find and replace, or you can just press the control shortcut for it, that is control plus F, which brings up your find and replace. So first things first, what is find? Well, find is used to find certain data in all of your data. So let's see how we can find Nemo. So we'll go to home, click on find and select, and click on find. On clicking find, we are given this menu. So let's find our friend Nemo. Find. So it actually changed the place, it actually changed the position of the cursor and brought it to the place where Nemo resides. So Nemo's cell is now selected. So this is how you can use find. So let's find another thing. Let's find pink. So we can find pink and click on find next. Or we can, there's also a function called find all. When you're in find menu, there's find all. What find all does, it returns the places of all the cells where pink is used. So when I'll click on find all, it will return the references or the cells where pink is. So you can click on them, for example it's here, then click on it, pink is also there. You can scroll through them and select the one you want to go to. So this is quite a useful feature, find all, and it will return the places or cells where that value is. Moving onward, let's see what replace does. Well, replace is quite clear from the term itself. It will change the value to the one you select. So let's go to our home, find and select again, and then we have replace. So let's click on replace. So now we have different options. We can either change replace, this is pre-selected, let's just delete this. So what do we want to replace? Let's find, first we'll have to find a value. Let's find black. Let's find black and change it with, let's think of a color. Let's change it with orange. Well, that's our theme color after all. Let's change it with orange. So we can either do replace once or we can do replace all. So let's do replace once for this column, and we'll see what replace all does on the second column. So let's click on replace. So Excel could not find the match. So why did this error come up? That's because the black that's present in our rows or columns is with a small b. So now we come to know that find is case sensitive. So let's change it to small b black and change replace. So it actually found the first black and changed it with orange. So we can also use replace all. So what it will do is change all the values of black to orange in the sheet. So as soon as I clicked replace all, it changed all the values and also told me how many values it changed in total. So it said all done, we made 20 replacements. Well, not in this wise, but that's what it meant. So let's go back and let's get our black back. Control Z can bring back values. It will redo the process, control plus Z. And now I'll tell you another thing. When you have selected a single cell, and you use find or replace, it will search in all of the sheet. It will search in all of this sheet, which is named sheet 1 here. It will search the values in this sheet only. But if you have selected a range, for example, let's select only this range, these three, I've selected this range, and now I use find. So let's find something which is not present in this range. For example, let's find pink. So as soon as I click pink, it says we couldn't find anything you're looking for. That's because this range which we selected does not contain pink. So the thing to note is when you have not selected a range and only selected a single cell, it will search through the entire sheet, and if you have selected a range, then find and replace will work only on that range. So coming to the third part, we have our select option, and let's see what select does. So let's click on find and select menu again, present in home tab, and let's click go to special, which is your select. So as soon as we click on go to special, it will ask us, bro, what do you want to select? You just said go to special, but which special value do you want to go to? So we can go to comments, constants, formulas, blanks, current region, current array, objects, and also these things. So I'd like to go to a formula. Let's see where formulas are applied. For example, you forgot where formulas are. They're present between your values. Let's just assume a worst case scenario that you applied some formulas and forgot to change them to values. So let's click on formulas, and now it's saying which kind of formulas would you like to display. So number, text, logical, or error. We'll cover the different kind of formulas in the next videos. Number formulas are those which return a number. For example, sum. Text formulas are those which return a text. For example, concatenation, which uses an AND symbol between text values. Logical, if and error are if errors or hash NA wherever that is returned, which is not available. So let's find our number formulas. On clicking on OK, it automatically highlighted the areas where number formulas have been applied. So let's do it again. Let's look at it again. Go to special, and this time let's find out where constants are used. So it will again give these options. Which kind of constants do we want to find? Number, text, logical, error. Let's find all the text which is constant. Clicking on OK, it has highlighted all these rows and these two, which are all text constants. These all were number constant, hence it did not select those. So that was your select function. We covered find also and replace.
If you like this video and would like to see more from our channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.